Hi, Dave Soriano. I'm a chem professor with the University of Pittsburgh, Bradford in Western Pennsylvania, USA. I want to show you very briefly some quick footage on some of the chemical ecology work I'm doing with sand fiddler crabs, and I'm utilizing Raspberry Pi PC for some of the work to cut down costs. It's efficient and it saves space for the work that I'm doing in the laboratory environment. What we'll do here is show you my so-called crab aquarium. I'll show you the Raspberry Pi setup and how I'm utilizing it with a $15 webcam. I'm conducting sand fiddler crab research, chemical ecology, with the animals in contact with certain foods I'm offering. I'm interested in sensory chemicals, odor, and melanin biosynthesis, as I'll show you in a video here. I also use a pocket spy camcorder to capture some quick footage. We'll talk briefly about my work with proteinoid thermal polypeptide synthesis and what I will be offering to the crabs, and particularly polypeptide enriched in tyrosine, because I'm interested in the animal's melanin expression. The CAMCORDER, I've actually put together this video today with one of these very handy pocket camcorders. You can get one for about $12–15 on eBay plus shipping to your country. I have purchased about 4 or 5 of these. I've had very good luck with them, and they're very handy for quick images or video audio capture, as I'll show you. I recommend that if you're doing any field biology work, chemical ecology, or you're simply a person raising pets such as crabs, which are very popular, you might want to pick one up. The Raspberry Pi PC, here at school, we use the Ethernet. However, my colleague Bob Ellison has found that we can use this particular, for sure, wireless nano USB adapter for Wi-Fi, and he has found that it works beautifully with the Raspberry Pi. So you're not going to be limited to the hookup with Ethernet. And I'll be able to use this, for example, up in the greenhouse where we have Wi-Fi capabilities. And we know for sure that this one will definitely work with the Raspberry Pi. Here's a short video I put together to show you what I'm up to. Hi, Dave Soriano. I'm a chemistry professor with the University of Pittsburgh's Bradford campus in Western Pennsylvania, USA. Part of my research here in chemistry deals with chemical ecology. I'm currently working with sand fiddler crabs, and just want to show you briefly my setup. Ignore the date there. My colleague Bob Ellison. I just did this today. We have set up a Raspberry Pi PC, and that is hooked up to a $12 webcam that we picked up from newegg.com. We'll show it to you in a minute. I picked up the board and the casing from Allied Electronics here in the United States. Very reliable vendors. We have I have aquariums. One up in the greenhouse is 40 gallons. But here in the laboratory, I have a very small, convenient setup with the Raspberry Pi and small container, a little bit of air ventilation, and we'll show you the setup here, including the single male fiddler crab that I have in there.
There he is. Hey, you can see the webcam. I have it right in this, let's call it a crab aquarium. And that's a male with a large claw, right-handed one here. Sand angling down through the brackish water. We use 15% solution of ocean water in fresh water. You can see the cam set up. I have two dishes here. One on the right is shrimp pellet, contains shrimp pellet. The one on the left right now has the amino acid glycine. And let's note the degree of melanin. I have some upstairs, much darker. This has a bit of, you can see the melanin on the carapace. Crab being, of course, an decapod. There's the eye stalks, he's looking at us. So he has a moderate degree of melanin. And let's close this back up. Why the glycine? Just to start to see if he accepts it as food. And I will be placing in there thermal polypeptides. Sidney Fox, biochemist, 1950s. He referred to it as proteinoid. And I'll be preparing, take a look in there. I'll be preparing these so-called thermal polypeptides enriched in tyrosine amino acid, which is a precursor for the biosynthesis of melanin. I'll be very interested to see if the thermal polypeptide is accepted as food by this life form. And the next thing will be, if accepted as food, will the enriched tyrosine have an effect on the melanin, keeping the light intensity on a daily basis constant here in the lab. I'm interested in sensory chemicals, semiochemicals, odor, response to chemicals, and I want to see if male and female will respond equally to the offered thermal polypeptides. The main thing of this short video is to show you the setup, and it's on a portable device. We're hooked up here with the Ethernet, but we also have for Wi-Fi, very small mini device that we can hook into one of the two USBs. We'll be showing you additional footage as things develop. Watch my other videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.
You can follow the live footage at Bamboozer, B-A-M, B as in boy, BAMBUSER.com, bamboozer.com, for the 24/7 video cam. And you will find me at, once you're within bamboozer.com, D.S.Soriano. And if you either put Fiddler Crab or D.S.Soriano, you'll be able to see the footage. I have a red tungsten light that comes on at about 3 o'clock, and I think it will stay on Eastern time here. It'll stay on till about 2 in the morning. This is Eastern Standard Time. And that way you can log in and see what's going on with the crab. And of course we'll once we get rolling, we'll set up a larger tank in this fashion. Thanks for watching. Bye now.